What's up guys? Have you ever tried following a food recipe just to find yourself placing your phone or your tablet flat on your kitchen counter and not seeing the recipe? Today I'm going to show you guys a very simple solution that you could implement today so you could follow your food recipe without any interference. Now before I actually show you this small device, make sure you hit the like button if you really like it or you find this idea really cool. Now let me go ahead and take you to my kitchen and show you one of the best devices you could ever try to follow a food recipe. Here it is, a magnetic phone holder that actually allows you to place your phone vertically or horizontally, and if you have a small iPad you could actually place it here too. Now the cool thing about this phone holder, there's a suction pad right here, right? There's an adhesive on the back on it. You could place it on the wood, then you could actually place the phone suction on the pad and it sticks very sturdy. I mean, for it to actually come out, it's almost impossible. I mean, you would have to place here a very heavy tablet for it to actually come out. Now let me give you guys a very quick demonstration how it actually works. Make sure you hit the like button. Now here's my phone and I'm gonna show you guys how to follow a food recipe. Super simple. Here I am playing it in a full screen, and all I really do right now is just place it here. There it is, and it's playing. Are you guys seeing that? Super nice, super simple, and you know, you can cut your vegetables while looking at it. Here I have all my spices just sitting there, and you know, you can cut the vegetable, the chicken, whatever you're trying to follow. Now this specific video here, it shows you how to make a shrimp pasta. It's very nice. Here's another thing you could do. Let's say you're trying to watch a YouTube video, right? And here you could just rotate it very easily. And we could play any YouTube video that you want and just rotate it, and now you have a full screen. Super simple, super nice. I really love this idea. Another thing you could do, you could play a YouTube video. I'm not gonna turn the audio now while you know you're washing your dishes. I really like this. I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can find this phone suction holder. The most important one is really that suction pad. It was very hard to find it on Amazon. The only thing you found is for the car. Now obviously this one's for the car, but thanks to that suction pad, now you could actually place your phone or your tablet right here and you could just follow the food recipe. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the like button again, and that's all. Take care.